No, I just wanted to say, like I said, where we're going to do this heavy bag, do these two heavy bags. This beam is a bit of a nightmare. You know what I'm saying? You have to get a beam, 24-foot beam, from the store to the house. I've got a 12-foot trailer. Obviously, I'm going to cut it at the store. I'm going to cut. I need a length of about 20 foot, 4.5 inches. So I'm going to cut that length at the store, but I still have to take it home. You know what I'm saying? And then the two bags are about 150 bucks each. The support system for them is about 20 bucks each. That holds it to the beam. And let's see here, what else do we got to get? I got to get a pulley so I can lift the bag up. You know what I'm saying? You get a multiple pulley, so it's real easy. You can do it one hand, pull it, and then put the hooks on the bag. So you have to get something like that. They're pretty inexpensive, and you'll always have it there